while keeping a check on your portion sizes. Following any healthy, balanced diet can help you achieve your desired weight, physique, and any other health goals. Some diet regimens eliminate certain food groups from your diet, whereas others focus on eating controlled portions with more liberal food choices. What you eat is of paramount importance for the healthy functioning of your body. Thus, it becomes all the more important to be aware of your food choices. Recent research identifies poor diet and unhealthy eating habits as the primary reasons behind the obesity epidemic in the United States. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, the prevalence rate of obesity stood at 39.8%, affecting nearly 93.3 million U.S. adults in 2015 to 2016. This is an alarming situation as obesity entails a risk of non-communicable diseases including heart diseases, blood pressure problems, diabetes, and cancer. What comprises a keto diet? A keto diet is basically a high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate diet. When it comes to a keto diet, it is all about the nutrition facts, especially the amount each macronutrient you are consuming. The recommended intake in a keto diet: almost 60% fat, 35% protein, and 5% carbohydrates. Generous consumption of fat sources such as coconut oil, lard, butter, cocoa butter, nuts, seeds, tofu, and olive oil. Fatty fish such as tuna and salmon. Starchy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and broccoli. No fruit apart from avocados. Full-fat dairy products such as cream, plain Greek yogurt, and cheeses. Limited dairy products that are high in carbohydrates such as milk and ice cream. Health benefits it offers. The keto diet has been associated with the following advantages on your health. 1. Helps control neurodegenerative disorders. The keto diet can be considered for patients suffering from neurodegenerative disorders such as epilepsy, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and multiple sclerosis. Studies have shown that the supplementation of a keto diet in children helped control epileptic seizures for a short to medium time period. The effects of the keto diet were found to be quite similar to those from conventional anti-epileptic drugs. The possible mechanism behind the considerable reduction in seizures is due to the decreased glucose levels and increased metabolism of ketone bodies along with the reduction in glycolysis. Studies have highlighted that the resultant decrease in glycolysis when consuming a keto diet can help reduce seizures. 2. Aids in weight loss. Ketogenic diets have carved a place in the list of potential ways to lose weight. Following a keto diet can help you lose weight by curbing your hunger and appetite and keeping you satiated for long. 3. Reduces inflammation. The induction of ketosis is known to pump the mitochondria of the body cells such that they supply energy and fight oxidative stress and inflammation at a faster rate. 4. May help regulate type 2 diabetes. According to the U.S. Center for Disease Control and Prevention, nearly 55% of patients suffering from diabetes are obese and 85% of them are overweight. The restricted consumption of carbohydrates in a keto diet may play a key role in both prevention and treatment of type 2 diabetes. The Paleo diet. The Paleo diet adopts the primitive eating pattern of our ancestors in the Paleolithic age. The paradigm shift in the eating patterns of humans has resulted in modern methods of food preparation. The agricultural revolution entailed the evolution of man from a hunter and gatherer to that of eating more processed grains. Thus, the Paleo diet eliminates most processed foods made with highly refined ingredients. Although it is impossible to live like the early men, the Paleo diet idolizes the eating habits of their times by eliminating the use of foods that have undergone any modern processing. This diet comes to the fore in view of the various diseases that are deemed to be the result of consuming processed and refined foods. What comprises a Paleo diet? The Paleo approach focuses on the consumption of local grass-fed animal-based meats and sustainable organic vegetable produced while refraining from processed foods. Also, Paleo is a diet consisting mostly of proteins, fiber, antioxidants, and potassium while being low in carbs, sodium, and sugar. The Paleo diet includes foods that can be grown, reared, hunted, and gathered. These include poultry, grass-fed meat, eggs, seafood, vegetables, roots, and fruits. The diet restricts the consumption of dairy and grains, legumes, processed fats, refined sugars, and salt. Individuals on a Paleo diet can have green tea and plenty of water. The consumption of foods containing additives and preservatives must be completely avoided. Health benefits it offers. 1. Aids in weight loss. The Paleo diet may be one way to help some with weight loss. In theory, the Paleo diet significantly improves the waist circumference, weight measurements, and BMI because it helps eliminate extra calories from the diet. However, more well-designed studies are needed to determine the effects the paleo diet has on health and weight loss. 2. May help improve diabetes. The paleo eating style may lower the risk of type 2 diabetes and help in treating it. A 2015 study included people with type 2 diabetes who followed either a paleo or standard low-fat diet for 2 weeks. Both groups showed improved outcomes, but the paleo group had greater benefits on glucose control. 3. Reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Following the paleo lifestyle may contribute to a healthy heart. Eating foods recommended in the paleo diet can help decrease the various parameters of cardiovascular diseases such as body weight, cholesterol, blood pressure, HDL, and glucose tolerance. Greater benefits in lipid profiles were seen in people with type 2 who followed a paleo diet compared with those consuming a standard low-fat diet. If you are new to this channel, subscribe so you will be aware when we post another video on how to eat, live, and stay healthy.